Okay, hello, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully the motor that I've got on from this one will work on that one. I'm going to try it and hopefully it will make the unit spin. If not, then I'm running out of ideas. So, yeah. So I'm going to switch that motor with this motor on there, and hopefully it does something better than that one did. I'm not for sure if it's the motor or what yet, but we're going to try that out and see what happens and hopefully go from there. But hopefully, I can get this thing going and get something done with it. And then there's the inner tub for that one. And then we got the fence up there done. I will show a video of that. We still got some more work to do up there, but I will do some videos of that here in a little while when we get back up there. And right now we're getting some food to snack on. But I will be back after a while. Thank you guys for watching so far.